Friends, I have come here to communicate with you, and I just want to communication with friends. I just come here to communication with you, and I just want to share with you my desire that what actually I want to do to learn English. If you are watching my video, you also have some desire to do in your life. That's why you have come here and you I start watching my video. If you want to know something about me as well as about your English, definitely you should watch the video till the end. Definitely you should watch the video till the end. I have told you, and what things I am just tell you today that I have also desire to become fluent English speaker. I have been practicing for 4 months, but I don't know how to speak English fluently. But I just want to practice too much, and I have already decided that how much time I will take to become fluent. I just want to continue my work. I do not want to give up my journey. Many people uh, earlier, I mean initially, many people used to laugh at me, and this time also people are laughing at my English. People think that I will not success to become fluent because my English is not as good as they want to listen English. They are listening English very perfectly. People are speaking, and I don't know how to speak English as perfect as they are listening somewhere else. So I just believe myself that it is me that I shall have to practice too much. I shall have to prove these things that I have also desire, I have also confidence, I have also knowledge of English, and I can speak perfectly after some time. But this time, if I am about in front of you and I am speaking something, if there will be any mistakes, you just manage this and you just believe yourself that if anyone who wants to success in his life, definitely you should support me to become fluent. But many people don't have such knowledge that what they should do for other people. They don't have this idea. That's why they are doing such activity. But I don't mind that people. You just do not mind that people. You just believe your life, your desire, your thinking that actually what you want to do. After forcing other people, you do not do any work in your life. You should not take any decision in your life. If you have knowledge to do any work, you just do your work yourself. You do not think about other people. That's it. I just want to speak English. I practice every single day. I do not want to waste my time here and there because I know that if I waste my time, that it is not good for me. If I watch only movie, I only watch short video or any wastage thing which is not related to my life. If sometime if I take entertainment, it is right for me. But every time I should not think about my entertainment. Sometime I also think about my future. This is my future that if I am speaking English, I am speaking English. Broken English is better than be silent. If I am speaking in front of you, definitely a little bit my English is improving. And after improving little bit, one day I will become fluent. That's why I just want to practice myself. One day I was practicing myself, and many people uh, passed from that place, and they started laughing at me that what he is doing here. He wants to prove that he can become fluent English speaker. He is speaking English, and how it is possible for him that. But he, they don't know about me that I can also speak English, and my English is improving every single day. But I don't want to say them to anything. I just want to be silent there. and I just continue my work because I know that this is my work. I do not follow other people that what other people are doing, and I don't want to compare to other people. As you should not compare to other people because you are beginner. You just practice too much. You just think yourself. You just believe yourself. That's it. You do not think about other people that other people are doing such good work. Other people are only practice few months and they start speaking so much good. You don't think that how much practice they have to do after some time before. That's why they are speaking. And if they uh, did not do anything earlier, in spite of they are speaking too much, what you will do that? After watching these things, you will stop your speaking. You should give up your journey. No, no, that you just practice too much. That you should also try to become as perfect as someone else. You just think like that. You do not think that no, it will never be possible for me that I can never do these things. You should not speak this matter. You only do something which is very important for you. You just think in English. You just try to describe everything in English. Whatever you see, any object, whatever you see around you, you just move one to other places and you just start speaking. You just walking on the road, you just start speaking. Whatever you want to say, you just try to explain about your daily routine that I get up early in the morning, I just take some breakfast and whatever. I mean, I don't want to explain you about daily routine this time. I just want to explain you that what you should do every day that it will be possible for you to become fluent. I think that I know how to speak English or not, it doesn't matter. I am practicing every day. I just try to explain anything. That's it. I can do everything. I have desire to do this thing. This is my passion. I have desire, interest, everything in English. That's why I never feel tired to speak English. Every time I just want to speak English. But there is no one who will reply my question. That's why I just want to be silent. I just want to, I have to speak native language at my home because no one would like to speak English. It doesn't matter. They don't know how to speak English. That's why I have to speak in my native language. But this time I am speaking in front of you because I want to share with you something because it will be beneficial for you. You just listen it carefully that if I have told you to think in English, you just describe any object in English. Whatever you see around you, you just try to speak everything that if you see any tree in front you, you just start speaking that this is the tree I have been seeing so many days before. This is the tree wherever people would like to sit. People are cutting trees this day. We do not cut tree every single day because if a tree will not